Introducing the 7816, the Keg Lite from Light Manufacturing, a remarkable fusion of classic design and modern engineering. The design of Lite's Keg Lite pays homage to the silhouette of a traditional keg. Our 7816 captures this heritage, blending it with contemporary materials and technology to create a unique and functional piece. The Keg Lite is perfect for a wide range of environments, including restaurants, bars, breweries, tap rooms, event and entertainment venues, and residential entertaining spaces. Measuring 16 inches in diameter and standing 23.5 inches tall, the Keg Lite is crafted from hand-spun aluminum, and despite its robust construction, remains lightweight. Choose from a standard socket or built-in LED, and mount with stem, cord, or chain, or even as a wall mount. We offer 29 standard powder-coated colors and custom finishes. Its lightweight and durable construction ensures easy installation and maintenance, while the variety of finishes and mounting options allow for seamless integration into any decor. Each 7816 fixture is hand-spun from aluminum in Lite's New York warehouse, ensuring a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The robust aluminum construction ensures a long-lasting lighting solution, and with energy-efficient LED options, the Keg Lite is also an eco-friendly choice. The 7816 Keg Lite is more than just a lighting fixture, it's a statement piece that brings together the past and present. For more information or to place an order, contact us today and let us help you illuminate your space with style and elegance.